digital radio.
92 to 95 FM.
And H1 medium wave.
BBC Radio Scotland.
At 10 o'clock, I'm Gillian Whelan. The former Manchester United and Aberdeen manager is in intensive care after undergoing emergency surgery for a brain hemorrhage. In a statement, Man U said the procedure had gone very well. First Minister Nicola Sturgeon has wished him a full and speedy recovery. The BBC's sports correspondent Andy Swiss reports.
In a statement, Manchester United said Sir Alex Ferguson's procedure had gone very well, but that he needed a...
Well, that's not the best news, maybe, for some people, but that's quite an amazing achievement. The radio's picking up Radio Scotland. I've never known such good propagation. The pressure is fairly high at the moment. We've got 1,023 millibars, but we're receiving this signal pretty well, really, considering we've got no external aerial, just using the internal ferret rod. It's working really well, so that's quite an achievement this evening. Got Manx Radio and now Radio Scotland.